Hello everyone, you're welcome. In this video, I'll be explaining what the CoinMarketCap Diamond is all about and how to claim it. And then also I'll be explaining what the CoinGecko Candy is and how to claim it. And then in the next video that I'll be dropping, I'll be showing you how to redeem your rewards for some of those exclusive gifts that you can change them to, can convert some of those coins or some of those gems and candies you've accumulated in both of those platforms to various gifts and rewards, such as the NFTs and the exclusive offers. So literally what you are doing in this platform is very simple. So the CoinGecko Candy and the CoinMarketCap gems are literally both platforms loyalty reward programs, okay? So these reward programs are designed to engage and reward their communities, all right? They are designed to reward their communities. And also, users collect those candies and gems every day and accumulate them. So you can decide to spend it on partner rewards like the exclusive discounts, the voucher credits, and the raffles and giveaway entries, and also NFTs and airdrop as well. All right, and airdrop as well. Like the CoinMarketCap have participated in some of their airdrops just by accumulating those candies. All right, I've participated in some of their airdrops a few months ago. So, and also, I will also be showing you how to accumulate them. And if you don't forget, if you are new, please kindly like and subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that whenever I drop new videos, you can get them on time. All right, so let's get started. So here is CoinMarketCap. In order for you to accumulate your gems, you have to click on this. All right, then it will take you to the next page. You have to just scroll down where you have your my CoinMarketCap Diamonds. You have to just scroll down a little bit down. Scroll down a little bit down. All right, now you can see collect your diamonds every day. This is the first day. You can tap on it. I've tapped on it. I've collected for the day. Okay, I've collected for the day. You see you've collected 10 daily. All right, so any day that you come here and click on any of these, any day you come here and click on any of these, you're going to be collecting these gems up to the 7th day. All right, this is the first day I've collected one. Tomorrow I'll come again, click again, and then I'll be accumulating them every blessed day. All right, so for additional diamonds, you can log in at least 3 times within 7 days to get any of these. All right, if you log in 3 times 7 days, they'll be giving you more of all of these. All right, in addition to what you have up here. Okay, so that is how you accumulate your coins every day. And then when you come over here, you can see that the number of coins you've accumulated are just right here. Okay, so in the next video, I'll be teaching you how to redeem these diamonds here to those offers, to those various offers that you can exchange them for, such as the NFTs, and also how to participate in the free airdrop from CoinMarketCap directly. All right, I'll be teaching you all of that in the next video. So that's why you have to ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification to get the updates when I drop it. All right, so here, if you click over here, you see your diamond rewards. So these are your balances so far. These are your balances, and then when you scroll down a little bit, you will now see that these are the various offers that you can redeem your gems for. All right, now for you to redeem this your gem here, they said Eclipse wallet. Enjoy 10% off Eclipse. The platform will be giving you 10% off your redeemed gems in order for you to buy this. All right, this is on sale, and the total the supply of this into the platform, the supply is just 35 out of 500. So 35 has been given out of this. So if you can claim this up to 650 gems, all right, and a kind of discount will be given to you, a 10% discount will be given to you to purchase this. Okay, that is for that. And also for the same thing for the not protect, the same thing for the not protect here, and here you see 65% discount to be given for you. All right, discount for CMC users will be given to you by just accumulating this. And so far 4,578 has been issued. All right, 5,000 has been issued and 4,578 has been given out. Okay, so that is it for that. And also these are the various offers you can have. All right, so that is all you need to know about the CoinMarketCap gems and how to accumulate it. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to redeem them. Okay, now let's head over to what we have next on the CoinGecko, how to redeem your offers. This is CoinGecko. In order for you to start accumulating your candies on CoinGecko, you have to click over this little candy sign over here. You tap on it. So now you can see here I've accumulated. For my first day, I've received 10 balance of the candy. All right, so the next day if you come again, you will be given each of them. All right, and if you keep claiming until 7 days, you'll be given 100 of this. So tomorrow if I come back again, I'll be receiving 20 candies. The next day if I come back, I'll be receiving 30. The next day if I come back, I'll be receiving 40 up to the 7th day. All right, and you can see your timer here is reading. All right, so every day if you come over here, that is how you claim your candies on CoinGecko. All right, and these are, if you scroll over here, these are the rewards that are being given. These are the rewards that are being given. All right, almost the same thing as the CoinMarketCap. You can accumulate this. If you have up to 700, you can apply for this. If you have up to 200 worth of candies, you can apply for this free trial. If you scroll down and have up to about, let's say 200, you can apply for this. So in the next video, I'll also be showing you how to redeem this reward. Okay, so you have to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. All right, so if you scroll over to where we have this my reward here, since I have not claimed reward for this my first account, you won't see anything here. But if you claim reward, if you've redeemed any of your reward, you'll be seeing them sitting right here. And if you click on this your candies history, you can see all the candies you've accumulated in the past. Okay, you can see all the candies I've accumulated in the past. Here in this my first account, I've accumulated just once. My second account, I've accumulated a whole lot of time in my second account. And here in my reward, I've accumulated a whole lot of reward here just by accumulating all of these gems. Okay, so that is how you accumulate these gems here in both of these apps. I mean the CMC and the CoinGecko. I hope you like this video. If you do, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share and refer your friends. See you in the next video.